This video is a brief visual demonstration. For a full set of detailed written instructions, please refer to the Wausau Siding Systems Application Guide. Wausau Siding Systems scallop shapes can be installed on walls or in gables. Nailable structural sheathing is required because of the off-stud layout and off-stud nailing requirements. For best appearance, the shapes should be visually centered on the gable or the wall. For straight walls, measure the length of the wall, find and mark the center to begin. For gables, start by dropping a plumb line to find and mark the center. Next, measure the height of the gable in inches on this line. To divide the height of the gable in inches, for scallops, divide by 7 3/4 inches. If the answer is an even number, center the first course of a scallop on a keyway. If the answer is an odd number, center the first course on the center of the scallop. Once your layout is complete, measure and mark a level chalk line for the top of the panel. Begin the installation with a starter strip by ripping a piece of similar colored lap siding or by overlapping a previous course of lap siding 4 inches. Begin the installation with a starter strip by ripping a piece of similar colored lap siding or by overlapping a previous course of lap siding 4 inches. Next, install the first panel by aligning with the level chalk line. Fasten 3/4 inch down from the top of the panel into the sheathing and/or framing using a corrosion-resistant ring shank nail. Ring shank nails are required because of the off-stud nailing. Fasten every 8 inches on center. Do not place the fasteners into the bottoms of the grooves or shiplaps. Continue to install panels by overlapping shiplap butt ends without any gap. Continue to fasten in the same manner. Finish rows by installing cut piece, leaving a 3/16 inch gap at the trim or the soffit. If the shape siding is going to abut any roofing materials during the installation, remember to keep a minimum 1 inch space between the siding and roofing material.
Start subsequent courses in the same manner by overlapping courses a minimum of 4 inches. Continue to measure up 7 3/4 inches and snap chalk lines. Offset each course to effect staggered joints. For best appearance is obtained by installing the second course starter piece 21 inches shorter than the first course. Start the third course starter piece 27 inches shorter than the second course. Repeat this same sequence every 3 courses. Shim the siding at the studs as needed to avoid drawing the siding to uneven walls, and continue the installation.